Okay, we're out here with the Specter 700 V2 N.M.E. It's going to be a test flight after a little rebuild, just a grease up and kind of just checking it out. And we'll go ahead and go from there. So we're just going to start in the high gain and go right into stunt one. Out at my pad. This is an Icon 2 fly barless system. Flying good right now at 2080 RPM. Flying nice. Don't look in the sun. I'm gonna get up right side up, go to 2200 and try it. Back up a little. Flying great today. That's all I wanted. Bit flatter. There you go. That was one of them bobbles. Looks good today. Okay, success. That was a little rebuild for the Southwest Heli Rodeo. If you guys are into helicopters, why don't you stop at the Southwest Heli Rodeo this year in where is that in Arizona, man? Superior, Arizona. There's an airport out there. It's gonna be pretty cool. It's November 10th. Come on. And what else? I don't know. I'm running the Spectrum servos, 6350s and the 6360 tail servo. We're going with the NX10 SE. You can buy all these stuff down below in the links. Please support this channel. I need you people to use my affiliate links in order to buy your products if you do like something here today. This does support me and gets me to travel to events and things. So come on, let's give back. Thank you for everything you do. And check out the description below. Like and subscribe. Thank you.